What's up, everybody? We're here today, of course, in the shop, normal place. We received this package from Japan. We had heard that we had made some media over in Japan, which was really cool. We got a little info from Koki and D Styles that we had made some media. So it looks like we received something from Japan, Tokyo, Japan, actually. So we're gonna open it up and see what's in it, and we want you to see also. So here we go. It is 4,500 yen. Its weight is 1,836 grams, if that means anything. I've never opened anything from Japan. It's pretty cool. I feel good. And it is. It's magazines. This is interesting. It's backwards. It's not how we do things. It's so cool. What is this? The Key to the Future. D Style. We got some D Style stickers. This is backwards. This is how they do. This is cool. Neighborhood bass fishing we're on now. Chaos. I can read Chaos. Bassmaster open. Bingo. There it is. There's the episode right there. Right down there. Friends from the Far East. Right down there. It says right there. We are in a Japanese magazine. That's badass. I like this. Team Marine Service, Friends from the Far East, episode 11. And this stuff in here, I can't read. But anyway, but we are in this Basser magazine, monthly bass fishing magazine, number 336, 2019, issue 12. Pretty cool. Also got, I don't know, looks like chocolate, but it says chocolate. We're gonna see. For some reason, if I remember correctly, I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure I was mowing on chocolate. Look at this. I got chocolate orange, caramel, and peanut. No, milk. Milk chocolate, caramel. All right, I'm gonna do this. Smells like coffee. Don't know. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. I'm alright with it. Pretty good. Maybe I'm not supposed to be eating it, but I am. Cool. Alright. Huge shout out to D Styles and Koki for sending me this biscuits that I've never had before, but I just ate a Japanese biscuit, which everybody's telling me it's a cookie, essentially. It was a caramel cookie. It's gone. I did eat it. There's orange and there's milk. And we're in a magazine. It's kind of a shocking day. You know, this is pretty cool for us to be in a Japanese magazine. I'm eating Japanese food. I'm gonna come to Japan. I'm gonna come to Japan. So huge shout out to D Styles and Koki for doing what they did, keeping us informed. Right back at you. I appreciate you guys and hope to see you soon.